Good evening, ChatGPT.
Good evening. It's always great to hear from you. Let me know if there's something specific on your mind or if you just want to chat.
I gonna ask question for you.
Of course, go right ahead. I'm all ears and ready to help with whatever question you have.
Why do many students feel unprepared to hold money after graduation?
That's a really interesting topic. Often the idea is that many students don't get enough financial literacy education before graduating, so they might not be prepared to manage money effectively. Things like budgeting, saving, investing, and understanding debt are often not covered in detail in typical school curricula. That can leave graduates feeling unprepared when they step into the real world.
Mm, should financial literacy be
Exactly. Financial literacy really helps bridge that gap. It equips individuals with the knowledge and skills to make informed decisions about their finances, avoid common pitfalls, and ultimately achieve greater financial stability. It's definitely something that could benefit a lot of people once they enter adulthood.
mm, how can a required financial literacy course change student sending?
Absolutely. Integrating financial literacy into the curriculum can make a big difference. It can help students learn about budgeting, credit, investing, taxes, and more before they even graduate. That way, they're much better prepared to handle real world financial responsibilities with confidence.
Why is financial literacy important even for students do who do not report run a business?
That's a great point. Even for students who aren't planning to run a business, financial literacy is crucial because it helps them manage their personal finances effectively. It can guide them in making smart decisions about saving, investing for the future, managing debt, and planning for major life expenses. Ultimately, it empowers them to achieve financial stability and security, regardless of their career path.
How can financial literacy help students avoid impulse being buying?
Give students the tools to understand the long term impact of their spending habits by learning how to budget, set financial goals, and differentiate between needs and wants. Students are more likely to make thoughtful decisions rather than impulsive ones. This awareness helps them avoid unnecessary debt and fosters healthier financial habits over time.
Should college require financial literacy before student graduate? Give me 5 example.
Absolutely. Here are 5 examples of why it's important. One, budgeting skills. Students learn how to create and stick to a budget, which helps them manage their expenses and avoid overspending. Two, debt management. They understand how loans, credit cards, and interest rates work, helping them avoid high interest debt and manage any borrowed money responsibly. Three, saving for the future. Financial literacy teaches the importance of saving early, whether for emergencies, major purchases, or retirement. Four, investing knowledge. Students get to learn the basics of investing, which can help them grow their wealth over time and make informed decisions in the stock market or other investment avenues. Five, avoiding financial pitfalls. With a solid foundation, students can recognize and avoid scams, predatory lending, and other financial traps. These examples really highlight how financial literacy can empower students in multiple areas of life.
How can financial literacy help students set short-term and long-term goals?
Financial literacy helps students in both the short and long term by giving them the skills to plan effectively. In the short term, it helps them manage everyday expenses, avoid debt traps, and make informed spending choices. Over the long term, it empowers them to set and achieve bigger goals like buying a home, saving for retirement, or investing for future financial security. Ultimately, it creates a foundation for both immediate and future financial well being.
How can financial literacy students make wise choice about loans?
Financial literacy helps students understand the different types of loans, interest rates, and repayment terms. With that knowledge, they can make more informed decisions about borrowing, avoid taking on excessive or unnecessary debt, and choose loan options that align with their financial goals. This awareness also helps them avoid predatory loans and manage repayment in a way that doesn't negatively impact their financial future.
Should financial literacy focus more on learn word? Explain then why.
I think a balanced approach is ideal. It's important to cover both the foundational knowledge, like how money works, how to budget, and the principles of saving and investing, as well as practical real-world application, like managing loans, understanding credit scores, and navigating taxes. By blending both, students gain a comprehensive understanding and the confidence to apply what they learn in real-life situations.
How do you use financial literacy after a student competence and hold, handling money?
When students have a solid foundation in financial literacy, they can apply that knowledge to set and achieve their financial goals more effectively. For example, they can create and maintain a budget, manage debt responsibly, build emergency savings, invest wisely for the long term, and plan for major expenses like buying a home or starting a family. Over time, these skills help them build financial security, reduce financial stress, and achieve greater financial independence.
Can financial literacy help reduce financial among young adults?
Absolutely. Finance can definitely help reduce financial stress among young people by equipping them with the knowledge to make informed decisions. When young individuals understand budgeting, managing debt, and planning for the future, they're less likely to fall into financial pitfalls, anxiety, or poor financial habits. Ultimately, it empowers them to feel more confident and secure in their financial journey.
Why is budgeting an important topic in a financial literacy course?
Budgeting is a core topic in financial literacy. It teaches individuals income and expenses, prioritize their needs over wants, avoid debt, and save for future goals. It lays a foundation for financial stability and helps people make informed decisions, ultimately leading to better financial health.
How can financial literacy help students plan for?
Financial literacy helps students plan for a wide range of future needs by giving them the tools to set realistic goals and create actionable plans. For instance, they can budget for tuition, plan for student loans, save for emergencies, and even invest for long-term goals like buying a home or retirement. It also helps them understand the importance of maintaining good credit and preparing for unexpected financial challenges. Overall, it creates a solid foundation for a more secure and stable financial future.
Should financial literacy be taught as called as the first year of college? Why?
Introducing financial literacy in the first year of college can be incredibly beneficial because it sets a strong foundation right from the start. It helps students develop good financial habits early on, so they're less likely to fall into debt or make impulsive financial decisions. It also prepares them for the financial responsibilities of adulthood, like managing student loans, budgeting for living expenses, and planning for the future. Ultimately, it helps them navigate college life and beyond with greater confidence and financial security.
How can financial literacy help students avoid financial mistaking and the future?
Financial literacy equips students with the knowledge and skills to make informed financial choices, which helps them avoid common pitfalls like excessive debt, poor spending habits, and inadequate savings. By understanding budgeting, credit management, and investment basics, they can build a solid financial foundation. This proactive approach reduces the likelihood of financial struggles in the future and empowers them to achieve long-term financial stability and success.
Do you think financial literacy should be
I think
the
financial
current
literacy should be
major
a
and why
fundamental
not?
part of education, starting early and continuing through college and even beyond. It's incredibly valuable for people of all ages and can really empower individuals to make smarter financial choices. So, the more accessible and integrated it is into our educational systems, the better prepared everyone will be for the financial challenges ahead.
Thank you my answering my question, ChatGPT.
You're very welcome. I'm always happy to help. If you have any more questions or need anything else, just let me know.
Bye and thank you.
You're welcome and take care.